Good afternoon. My name is Erica Spence. I will be talking about applications of feminist theory to a case study, which the case study is Tiffany Bradley. I would like to identify and describe the problem that I'll be working on with Tiffany Bradley. Tiffany Bradley is a 16-year-old that has been a victim of sexual child abuse, human trafficking, and also a history of prostitution arrests. I would like to give an explanation of the feminist theory, which defines and how it defines defines the case problem. Feminist theory has demonstrated that men exert control over women through the exercise of emotional, physical, and sexual forms of violence. And here we see that Tiffany has been neglected as a child by her parents and has been sexually abused by her uncle. She also managed to escape her sexual abusers by leaving her house in the fear of what will happen to her, only to be tricked by a child human trafficker who promised her safety. How does feminist theory fit the role of the social worker to help facilitate change? As a social worker, the role I would use to facilitate change with Tiffany is to emphasize the need for her equality and her rights as a woman, and also to empower her. Two assessment questions to explore what Tiffany's goals are and how she will get there. One of the assessment questions I would ask Tiffany would be, what are some of the challenges that you face? And also, name two of the things you fear as a female. Two interventions to address the problem and explain how Tiffany will implement the interventions are one, I would assist Tiffany with reclaiming her personal power. Tiffany will benefit with individual and group sessions, which will allow her to find confidence and also to find her voice. Also, to encourage Tiffany with positive influences. Tiffany is seeking direction and is often confused. Tiffany will set two goals, and Tiffany will use a vision board as a focus of achieving these goals. Tiffany will be encouraged and motivated to accomplish her goals by working on her vision board. One of the evaluations I will use to identify the effects of Tiffany's goals is the use of the vision board, which will allow Tiffany to see where she seeks to be, and also it serves as a reminder of the goals that she has set for herself. As a social worker, I would meet with her bi-weekly to discuss with her the task that has been given to obtain and reach her goals. Explain how on what the tone throughout the work with Tiffany will be to reduce her, to reduce the stress of the relationship and make it more collaborative. According to the code of ethics, the ethical principle of social workers is to respect the inherent dignity and worth of the person. So, as Tiffany's social worker, it is important for her to feel respected. It is also my duty to promote self-determination as well as assist her to achieving her goals. Thank you.